I'm making kids laugh.
Hello, good morning K1 students. Welcome to our English class. So today, I have here our A to Z pink chart. Can you sing the ABC song? Yeah. Okay, let's have our English alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Very good. Oh, at this time, we are going to do our vowel sound activity. So we have here, we have A, E, I, O, U for our 5 vowel sounds. So this time, I have here a chest. Yes, it's a chest. And I have here the vowels. So look at our chart. Vowel sound. So I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pictures. Each of these represent one vowel letter, okay? So in our chest, shake, 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 and we're going to get the letter. What letter? Letter A. A says A. A. Okay, so where is the picture that starts with letter A? A. Is it Is this A? Oh no. Is this A? Oh no. Is this letter A? Yes. A is for apple. Apple. Next, we're going to get another letter. Beep, 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 beep. What letter? Yes, it's letter O. O says O. So where is letter O in the picture? Is this letter O? No. Is this letter O? No. Is this letter O? Yes, it's letter O. It's an octopus. Octopus. Next, we have another letter. What's inside? Letter I. I says E. Okay, so where is the letter I? The picture that starts with letter I. Is this letter I? No. Is this letter I? No. Is this letter I? Oh yes, it is iguana. Iguana starts with letter I. Very good. I-E-E. Very good. Next, we're going to pick another letter. And we have letter E. Very good. E. And then, where is the picture that starts with letter E? Is this letter E? No. Is this letter E? Yes, it's an elephant. So we have letter E. There you go. And the last one, but not the least, we have letter U. Very good. U says U is for Oh no, I'm not trying to say it. So, where is U to the last picture? We have U is for umbrella. So we have A, E, I, O, U. Okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vowels. So they have also different vowel sounds. That's it for this morning. Thank you very much and see you again next week. Bye!
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe.